Hey guys, this is Gundam Freedom, and today I'll be looking at the ARX-7 Arbalest from the anime Full Metal Panic. Now this video is dedicated to IdentifiedLogic. I will put a link to his channel here so you can try and check him out. Now this kit is not made by Bandai, it's made by Kotobukiya from their Modlock series. Now this kit won't be like this when you get it out of the box, because it's all molded in this grayish off-white color. So I painted gray, black, a purplish gray, yellow, silver, and green. Now for articulation, this kit is loaded with a lot of ball joints, so you can guess that it has a good articulation. Now for the head, it goes up about that far and down. It rotates about that far because the ball joint inside the head stops it, or there's a part on the back of the head that stops it from rotating all the way around. There's another ball joint up inside the torso here, so it can go up and down at the joint there, and the arm can rotate 360, go out about that far. The shoulder armor is also on a ball joint, so it can wiggle around. The elbow can bend about that far and rotate 360. The wrist can also turn 360 and go up that far, which looks kind of awkward. For the torso, it can go back and forth that far, not so much side to side, and can rotate about that far. The foot or the legs can go up about that far and back, in and out. The knees can bend about that far. The foot guard can wiggle around. It's in a peg in the middle of the leg and the foot. And the foot is on a ball joint, so it can go up about that far and down and side to side and rotate all the way around. So that is the articulation for the Arbalest. Now for accessories, it comes with two closed fists that can't hold anything. It also comes with a trigger finger hand, which is molded together with the shotgun. But it's all molded in that grayish of white color, so you need to paint the gun black, the barrel silver, and the hand gray. And it fits nicely in the hand, just like so. And last accessory is the tactical knife, which also molded in white. You need to paint the blade silver, the hand gray, and the handle black. Unfortunately, you cannot put it in the left arm because this is the right hand, which is very bad because you can't display it together with the shotgun and the knife. So that it is, the ARX-7 Arbalest. Hope you enjoyed this review, and try check out IdentifiedLogic's channel. So that's about it guys, and I'll see you guys at the next review.